general video instructions for Luckydecoder model BTV 3x3 version 1, which works for BTV safe lock with 11mm key. Now, this is what you get in the box: main tool, code reading card, reset tool, two small tension handles, two small different size hex keys, and spare pins. To prepare your tool for work, you just need to screw in small tension handles. You have 4 different positions for them. I prefer to work like this. Now, this is turbo wheel, tension wheel, main blade. When you turn the turbo wheel, you can see the cassettes are moving up and down. This is called pumping. Now, next step to prepare your tool for work is to reset the tool. You'll need to use this tool. Turbo wheel fully to the right. Then with the reset tool, through those holes, push the tool fully in until it stops, and then your pins should be aligned like this. You go through every hole and your pins should be aligned. Now the tool is nearly ready. The next step is very important step. You need to push the front pin about halfway down, something like this. Now, why this step is important? Those safe locks have additional system, and for the system there are 2 keys. As you can see, this front cut on this key is way wider than this one. This is the key that usually you will get when you work with this type of lock. Now, this key will unlock this lock only if this additional electric system is engaged. Now, this key with a wider cut can unlock the lock without any additional wiring, electricity, and etc. So our goal is to imitate the main key. This is what we are doing, pushing the front pin halfway. Now insert the tool with pins toward the dead ball. Here it is. Go into working position, which is something like 90 degrees. The tool usually stops here, like this. Give it tension in the opening direction, then rotate turbo wheel till this line on the turbo wheel aligned with first stop point. Still hold the tension, go back and release the tension. You can hear the clicks, this is a good sign. Now repeat this process. You should go to the first stop point about 10-15 times. Then you can switch to second one, and usually second one is enough to open nearly every lock. Now, as you can see, I'm freely rotating the lock, and this is our first rotation. To be sure, just go with the same code to complete it. Now you can read the code using the code reading card, something like this. Your card should touch the main blade, and then you watch for the pins, for the pin height. For example, here is a big gap between stop and the pin. Here it's nearly perfect, and if I go here, my card doesn't touch the blade very well, so it's probably 5. You go like this, you write it down, and you have the code. To make the second turn, or halfway turn because it's safe lock, just reset the tool fully right, push through all the holes on the cassettes, and repeat the procedure, but don't forget to push the front pin halfway down. And here it is. As you can see, I can give it a little bit more movement now. And this is how to work with Luckydecoder BTV 3x3 version 1, the 11 millimeters key size.